Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 11 thumbnails not showing fix it fast. First method is change folder options. Second method is change advanced system settings. Third method is change disk cleanup. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.